So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view cryptocurrency prices here on Google Finance, also known as viewing different cryptocurrencies. So once you're on Google Finance, go to the right hand side to where it says market trends and then press on the crypto option right here. So now once you're on exploring the market trends, it'll say cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is available on Google Finance. Now, this won't go into like every single coin, but for the most part, it'll offer you guys a lot of different cryptos that are being offered. So obviously some of the heavy hitters are here that you might recognize, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, etc. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But this is how you guys can view different cryptocurrencies or the different prices. So you can also see the percent change here for the day, as well as the amounts on the share price. But yeah, as I mentioned before, pretty simple. This is how to view cryptocurrency on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.